Hello, everyone. Today's topic is designing for accessibility. And specifically in this video, we're going to cover designing some digital forms, at least initially, to create more accessible documents. So many times you may have seen either a paper copy or even a digital copy of a form that was created in Word that may look something like this. Pretty common, right? And sometimes you may even have something like a table. Something like this. Now, of course, we can remove the shading from this. Go to our table properties. We'll turn off the shading there. So it looks a little nicer. The problem with doing a lot of forms this way, though, is that it's not accessible. And by that, I mean, if you are someone who uses a screen reader, or you know someone who uses a screen reader, you probably understand why this is such a big deal, just because these underscores are read as the characters that they are. They are read as underscores. Even if we send this over to Adobe Reader, which we'll do in a moment, you'll see exactly why. So there's a really quick way that you can get around this. So if you're needing to recreate a form, for instance, first name, you can use 3 hyphens. If you're needing to just create a horizontal line, there's a few shortcuts you can do. You can press 3 hyphens together and press the Enter key, and that will create a long horizontal line. But there's also different ways you can do shortcuts to create different kinds of lines. So you can press 3 underscores, 3 underscores, and press Enter. You get a bold line. You press 3 hashtags or pound signs, and Enter. You get a really bold line with 2 thin lines on the top and bottom. So a lot of different ways you can do that. You can also, from the formatting tools up here, or the paragraph tools, under the borders section, you can click there and click horizontal line, and that creates a kind of a faded gray line. So you can combine this with your fields or your tables to create more accessible documents, because these particular lines will be skipped in a screen reader, and I'll show you that in just a moment. Now, I do have to get rid of these because it's going to read a lot of underscores. Perfect. We saved our document. We'll save as an Adobe PDF. Now, our PDF's open. So let's go ahead and activate the read out loud. And now we're going to tell it to read.
First name, underscore 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 underscore.
Now, that is the difference of using an accessible document versus, or accessible tools in a document versus just formatting something to look nice. So it's very important, if you can, to use some of these shortcuts, creating horizontal line tools instead of using underscores in a document. If you're printing it out, that may be one thing, but in today's world, we're using all these digital documents. Just go ahead and design it this way, and you won't have to worry about it in the future. If you have any questions, anything you'd like to see specifically, please let me know. There will be some more tutorials in this series, especially creating documents in Adobe Acrobat with fillable form fields, tagging, and things like that, but that's going to come later. Thank you and have a great day.